guy here. Check out this impressive 2006 Acura TL with a clean Carfax, one owner, and low miles, just 89,000. It has an excellent dealer service history, a recent service worth over $565, and has passed Georgia state emissions. This dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle comes with a Quality Plus warranty, 3 months or 3,000 miles, and a discounted 5-year maintenance plan. Recent services include new spark plugs, a thorough inspection, and an oil change. We encourage pre-purchase inspections for your peace of mind. Visit us today to take the Acura TL for a spin, where quality meets reliability.